Alright, hey guys, so I have another little aesthetic mod for the WRX. It's in this little package right here. Little package, but a very different look to the car. So we got some tire stickers. I got Speed Hunters tire stickers, except it's going to be in Japanese kanji. I think it'll give a really nice look to the car. I mean, the height is set up to where it's not too high or not too low, so it's gonna look like kind of a track car. And it'll just fill in this like huge blank space in here, so. And also, we're gonna be doing the full reveal on the new car that my friend got. So we're just gonna go over the build plan and all of that. I'm pretty sure you guys know what it is already if you follow me on Instagram and all that stuff. Max just showed up. Hey guys.
Did you order ice cream?
No. You guys gonna help me put on tire lighters or what?
No, I gotta weld my exhaust leader.
Okay.
Just kidding, we'll help really quick.
Okay.
Better be fast.
Okay, so we got the first wheel off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the tire, make sure there's nothing on there so that the tire stickers can stick on with no hesitation.
Because he has those minerals that eat up the consistency.
Look at who just pulled up. Hi guys. You want to get copyright? Alright, so we got the first set of tire letters done. We kind of messed up a little bit. There's like, this kind of goes downwards, but otherwise it looks good. Now it's time to do the other side. Not boring. Boring. Hi, so it's been about 2-ish days since I got the tire stickers on. Here's how they look. The install was pretty easy. They're literally stickers, except you have to apply your own adhesive, put it on, peel off the little sticker wrap thing, and then it's done. I let the car sit for about a day so that it could dry up and adhere to the tires themselves, and they've been fine. None of them have fallen off yet. That was my worst fear. This is a super simple, easy mod. Pretty cheap for what it is as well, so ugh, all these bugs. It's really a simple mod, but it really changes the whole look of the car. So I highly recommend doing this. Even if your car's stock, it'll just make the car pop a little bit more, give that little extra bedazzle. And I think the car is pretty much done. I don't know what else I'm going to do. And I also got new plates. These are the eyeball blackout plates. I hated the bright blue plates. They just ruined the whole look of the car. These plates changed the whole look. It actually like blends in with the whole car, goes with my banner and all that. Stickers. Yeah, this is how the car is sitting, and I'm pretty satisfied. I think I'm gonna take some pictures, some shots. Also, I made an Instagram account based on cars and my car life and all that. So if you guys wanna go check that out, it is Endless X Collective. Go follow, I don't know. Oh, and another thing, thank you guys for all the support on the videos. I'm trying to make more content and all of that. The channel is like slowly growing, and what I notice is that the more I put out, the more views, subscribers I get. So that's what I'm gonna try to do from here on out. We also have a new build on the channel, the Type R, so pretty excited for that and see what they're gonna do with it. And yeah, this car looks crazy. I I never thought I would be driving something like this. For these clips, I'm going to be using a 50mm f1.8 and a 17 to 50 f2.8. A lot of people ask what I use for my gear, so there it is. Simple.
Terrible at inviting myself, call me off. Nights when you need someone else, call me off. You can be the one to take control, call me off. When I get there, you already know, call me.
Okay, so I just got done with the shoot. I'll overlay some shots right here. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, thank you guys for all the support. Thank you for supporting the channel and motivating me to do more. More content coming soon, and stay tuned.
When I get there, you already know, why you keep asking me about couple of things I'd rather do.